Hello everyone. Here's I'm back with my workbox for my toddler who is turning 3 in November. So uh, I'm recording it when we are done with this activities. So I'm late, but just this week was too busy for us to shoot any video or edit it. So before I close these activities, I thought I'll capture what all we did this week. So you'll see only 4 days here because one day we were planning to go, we went out actually and we played some games which both my preschool and toddler played together. So that's the reason one day she had a off. She was just tired playing those games. These are the 4 days we did. So start with the first one. So these are the puzzles which are like the spelling puzzles, but she doesn't know ABC. But we work is at the logical skills that these are the cards. She has to put together the cards and make the picture, like there'll be deer, there'll be bird, and all this kind of stuff. So there were 7 to 8 puzzles which she did. These are like the flashcards. They are the pieces from some of the matching puzzles. So they are the candies of different colors. So I just flash like what is the color? She'll say black, yellow. We revise the colors. And there's a visual discrimination activity of the flies. So like I'll give her these ones, and where does it match? She has to match like this. So this is what we did on Monday. So we are still in recognizing numbers. She doesn't recognize anything except number 1. So we still are doing it, but she counts nicely. So I'm happy with that. So still we keep referencing to these sandpaper letters. Just try to tracing, but she's not very much interested. But she loves counting. I show her hand and then we count how many fingers are there. This is one of the activities which we counted the fingers till 5. This is a DIY in which we are talking about the transportation, that does it go on the road or track. So this is the road, this is a track, this is the sky, and this is the water. Okay, and these are the stickers I had, which has hot air balloon, train, helicopters, cars, buses. And then she has to take the sticker and like this she'll pick up, oh, this is a hot air balloon. So where does it go? So she'll take it out and she put it this one. So these are the paper in DIY I colored it sky blue and then laminated it so that when she put the sticker I can remove it and use it later also. So this is a DIY regarding the transportation. There's a shape recognition, basically revision of the shapes and colors. So ideally she should put blue, red, yellow together like that, but she still doesn't understand the column concept. So I just ask her to recognize, like I'll give her these one. What is this? Circle. Which thing is circle? And then she'll say, oh, this is circle, and then she'll put like this. So basically we talk about colors and shapes and cover this game. This is the third day. So this is again the puzzles of spellings. She doesn't know spellings, but we make objects or the pictures logically building. More of it's a jigsaw. The other one which you saw, it's straight cut, okay, so there's no fitting. But here it's motor skills also. So we try making 7 to 8 objects with it. This is a probably Frank or creative puzzle from Amazon India. So we have worked on it has different cards. The first thing is working on the basic cards, okay, one color. Now here the object have 2 colors, red and black. So she has to search like this. You see, this will go with it because you see this is brown and yellow and this monkey has brown and yellow, and she'll join like this. So this is the second level of complexity in this puzzle, and then it goes to 3 colors, 4 colors, 5 colors. So we are into second level. We are recognizing the colors and 2 colors in object. And this is the shadow matching. This is apple has been bitten in different ways and the shadow has been given. So she has to find the shadow, matching shadow as well. And the last one, again we are working on counting and number recognition. So this is magnetic numbers. DIY, just took a paper, the origami sheet, put some stickers, asked her to count, and I think it was from one of the busy bags which we use for travel, and so I used it. So here 3 was not there, 1 was not there, there was 4 and 5, and there was 6. So we told that 6 is not there, but we because we are practicing more of counting here, practice 1 2 3. So that's how we worked about it. This is small, medium, large. So what I asked her is to get 3 objects of different sizes, different trays. So what I do is, I have a drawer where I put trays or boxes of different sizes, and whenever I'm doing some activity, I ask them to get what kind of tray you want to work on, and they choose the color of or box, whatever. So I asked her to get a big, small and medium box herself. So that is the first step she did. And then these are pictures of different sizes. So some are printables from different puzzles I had, and some are specific to printouts. So like this is, it's a big hat, it's a small hat, and between there will be one medium hat, should be there somewhere. If octopus is medium octopus, and there will be some small octopus somewhere. So what she has to do is, she has to put the bigger octopus in the biggest tray she has chosen, medium octopus in the medium, and smallest in the smallest. So that's how all these objects has big, small, medium. And because she chose the trays herself from the drawer, she could really do it very easily, because the concept was clear that which is a big tray, which is a medium tray, which is a smaller tray. So that's the second one. And this one is activity which now I do with my 3-year-old as a memory activity, that I show her the picture and then I close it, and these are the magnets on the same picture, and I should do it. But for my 2-year-old, it's a very simple one. I keep it in front of her and I ask her to complete the pattern. Okay, so like this does not have a red one, we don't need a green star, we need a golden star. We go here, silver one star will go here. So basically it is practicing the spatial reasoning at a scale of a child. Okay, to think that for her the easiest was to put it here, color matching like this, that is the first step, but this she did very easily. What was the challenge was making this pattern. Okay, so like that I have I think 3 or 4 cards. One I have set up this one, and I think one more card below. So I've set up 4 cards, and the magnets, simple, very 2 by 3 matrix, but it's the first steps of spatial reasoning for her. And she did not do it very nicely, but she just got an idea of it this time. So probably when I do it next time, after a few weeks, she'll get it. So that's all we did with my 2-year-old, soon to be 3-year-old. And let me know if you need any help with something. And happy parenting. Bye bye.